Don't you just hate it when you put a lot of time and effort into trying to make a nice looking garden window, and then comes along the slacker? Really already, why don't you grow a root system? Well, if you happen to have a little welding equipment laying around, let me show you how to fix this problem. First thing we need is to borrow their pot. Pretty much a must-have tool in a DIY garage is a full set of these caliper dividers. They pretty much let you get the dimensions of just about any project you're going to work on. This set cost me about $22. So we're going to start this project out with making a metal plate, and this is how wide we're going to make it. Hold the caliper up to a ruler. You now know how wide to make your circle. The easiest way to cut out a circle from paper, fold it into quarters and then draw the radius of the circle onto that piece of paper. The radius will be exactly half of what you measured across the bowl. A handy tool for drawing circles is called a compass, but if you don't have one handy, here's another way to go about it. We now have a perfect 6-inch circle. This will be the template for my bottom piece of steel. Transfer that image over to your steel, then use a plasma cutter to cut it out. The plasma cutter uses just nothing more than compressed air and electricity to produce a jet of plasma so hot that it can cut right through the steel like butter. It wouldn't be a bad idea to knock all the slag off and then clean up the sides of the circle with a flap disc. Okay, the base is done. Now I'll need some steel for the supports. Round metal rod works perfect for this. And I just happen to have a couple of spare trunk torsion springs laying around. You can't bend this metal, but I'm going to use the pre-existing curves. Or you can just use regular round rod and bend it yourself. I want the supports to be as close to the outside of the pot as possible. I need small metal shelves on these round rods to keep whatever material I'm using to tie the cactus up from sliding down. Luckily, washers fit that build perfectly. Just weld them into place. To support 3 cacti, I figure 4 rods will be plenty. And all those extra pieces you have left over from your torsion springs? Take a few minutes to make a work of art out of them. Actually, I use it to prevent myself or anybody else from storing stuff up here on this shelf, which is actually the hot water heater exhaust vent, which would be a fire hazard if somebody stored something up there. Anyway, we painted it hunter green so it would blend in. After it's painted, put it in the pot, put the dirt back in the pot, then replant your cactuses. Then use some sort of twine to run between the support posts to hold your cactus straight up and down. I used copper wire because I think it looks better than twine. Believe it or not, I've had these cactus for about 30 years. I'm pretty sure they're going to outlive me. However, they can now become a proper part of your Zen garden window. Well, thanks for watching.